in the world is this? Yes.
Hey, Charles. I need to look normal. Get over here. Oh, guys, look. Oh, my gosh. There he goes.
What do you think she's gonna use it for? What do you think she's gonna use the gun for?
I don't know. Go there.
Oh,
Ah!
dang.
I know.
Yeah.
Wow. You know why he did that? To get all the dust out.
Yeah.
What did she say?
She said, just that's to get the dust out.
Please and thank you. By you and all of them.
There he goes. I think he's leaving.
She
Yeah.
wants to see him go back.
Yeah.
But she needs to let him out and close the gate.
Oh, there he goes.
Magic monster. Please and thank you. Yes, please.
Oh, sorry.
What time is it, guys? 9:53. Okay, we have to go back.
There he goes. He's done.
Run so you can see him leaving, puppy.
Yeah. Oh. Bye bye, dump truck.